Yep.
Okay lang. Ay lang. Just kidding not. Gulay, gulay. Gulay, gulay.
Yep.
Yun.
Okay. So, nagkasakit ako. So, nasa room lang ako for ilang days. And I did nothing but scroll sa TikTok. So, there's a trend ni Thailand kung paano siya sumayaw. So, this is the first time na gawin ko siya. Eh. Okay. Hindi talaga. But, wait. Wala. Guys, wala. Please. Oh my God. Bakit kayo ginagawa? Oh my, ew, cringe.
Si Jace naman, Jace. Anong joke mo? Ikaw, ate ko naman. Saan? Ano yung sakit na chan ko? Tawag-tawa ako.
Zainab!
Happy birthday kay Anton!
Thank you, salamat.
Bless you more, stay pretty.
Salamat. Good luck sa
Good
game.
luck.
Enjoy!
Congrats. Bye-bye!
Thank you, Z.
Your face is always so... like you don't like it.
No, I love it.
Hi, baby Sari! Sobrang cute! You're like a Disney princess. See you soon!
Kanta niya kay Victor.
Artista yun, nagsasagwa na pagod.
Sino ang artista na lagi kuya?
Sino?
Eh di si Kim Chu.
Ano yan, sakit na chan yun, tawa talaga.
Ang galing mo.
Ang galing mo. Ang galing mo, ha? Ang kulit mo talaga, Claire.
Wala ko.
O, si Jace naman.
Like, that's why I just smiled there and I let them do this. What's that?
Watch this.
Yes.
May nagbigay sa akin to. Wala. You want one? I'll give you one.
What is the same?
The soup?
Siya nagbigay kay Blythe.
Our Below collection. It's the Peach,
Yeah, here.
the Peach Fuzz collection.
Fuzz. Look at that.
Yes.
One of them.
I'm going to hold it for all of you right now.
Yes.
That's so embarrassing. Thank you, Janina. Hello, everybody. It's such a delight to see all of you here. Thank you for coming.
Go, let's get it. So beautiful.
Okay, I see 1, 2, and 3. Good. One more. Last one. Very good. Kadugtong na to ng bahay mo sa
Thank you.